What's up, fellow truckers? Today I'm going to make a short video on how to fix your after treatment purge air actuator, part number 3686371 for a Cummins ISX 15. I have a Cummins ISX 15 450 horsepower with a Kenworth T800 2012. You're going to need 10mm socket and this little 3/8 wrench. Line coming to it, and there's two bolts. One there, it's 10mm, and there's another one right behind here. Take those two off, and then you use this wrench right here to press down on this little fitting so you can pull the hose out and not struggle so much. You gotta unclip the fitting here, and you should be good to put the new one in. What I forgot to mention is you're gonna need a 9/16 wrench to take off the fuel line. You gotta be careful not to drop the little grommets on there. And then you also have to save this little air valve. Oh shit, where's it at? Save this. This goes on the, where's it at? So this is what the old one looks like. It's gonna look exactly like the new one. The airline goes in the front, has this little fitting here, and this other fitting goes on here. Make sure you save these and you transfer. That's all you should need from the old one, and the rest is trash. Just put it back together the way you took it off. The tools you need is a 10mm to take it off from right here, these two right there, if you can see them. You need the 9/16 to take off the fuel line, which is right there. There's two little seals. There's one in front of the line, one behind the line. So make sure you don't drop those, okay? And then this air line. And when you connect this connector up here, to take it off, you have to push this in so you can push down on this and slide that out. And then when you put it back together, you just connect it and click this in, and you should be good to go.